Guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. So we're going to do some maintenance on the tractor. But before we do that, we're going to take and we're going to break out this new Dewalt FlexVolt blower. I've been actually wanting one of these for quite a while. So we're going to do an unboxing. I've been wanting one of these blowers. So to talk a little bit about battery power. So my BT150 Husqvarna backpack blower is just shy of 700 cubic feet per minute. This thing here blows maximum 600 cubic feet per minute. That is a lot of air, okay? You'll see how powerful this is when we go outside, and we'll try it out. We'll blow off some pine needles, then we're going to do some maintenance on the tractor, and hopefully you'll see this in the future. So what I like about this is, you know, you just grab it, you throw a battery in, and you go to town, blowing off your driveway, your patio, your deck, what have you, and then you put it back in the garage or wherever you store it. Instead of having to pull out the backpack blower, make sure you got fuel, make sure it's primed, you gotta choke it, pull the string, and then get it started, and then you can go blow everything. Then you gotta let it cool off a little bit and put it away, or just put it away. With that being said, this thing comes with what they call 3 amp hour battery. Now, the secret is it actually comes with a $200 9 amp hour battery. So we're gonna take a look at this and open it up. So here we go. So once again, we're using our trusty DeWalt knife. Pop that open. Alright, let's see what we've got in here. So there's the charger. That can go be set aside. And we got the blower motor. Alright, this thing is pretty much ready to go. So take that off. You got the blower motor. Then down here you got the blower, and inside the blower is where they've got your 9 amp hour battery. So this battery, like I said guys, this is a $200 battery. The tool itself with the battery is $269, the bare tool is $200. So would you rather pay 60 bucks for a blower and get the 9 amp hour battery, or would you rather pay $200 and have to go buy your own $200 battery? So this is easily a, you know, if you take the battery separate from this is easily a $400 value. So all you do, you push that on and click. I mean, it's pretty self-intuitive. This battery probably needs to be charged. It comes with 1 bar, but we've got another 9 amp hour FlexVolt battery here, cranking, ready to go. We're gonna give this thing a try. Alright, let's see. Alright, looks like we got a piece of cardboard in there. So, note to self, make sure you pull the cardboard out of the tube. Alright, so, oh, there it goes. Oh, that's pretty impressive. I have to say, that is pretty cool. That is some serious blowing power. Guys, okay. I have to say, I'm pretty freaking impressed. I am pretty impressed. So we're going to take this outside and we're going to give it a try. Meanwhile, we'll plug up our FlexVolt battery and we'll have it charged. We're going to fix the blinds over here where we almost blew the box through the window. So thanks for watching. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. We're headed outside. I was totally impressed when I unboxed it inside, but when I got it outside, I was even further impressed. It blew the pine needles. I've got large pine needles all throughout my yard. Grass, clippings, pine cones, sticks, what have you. That 600 cubic feet a minute is no joke. My Dodge truck, its intake is rated at 800 cubic feet per minute. This is slightly less than that than a 5.9 liter Cummins running at full tilt, screaming. This thing is packing a punch. And like I was saying, my Husqvarna backpack is just shy of 700 cubic feet per minute. And if you imagine a cubic foot is literally a 12-inch by 12-inch box that's 12 inches high, that full of air, and 600 of those getting pushed through the end of that blower every minute. That's a massive amount of air. So the great thing about already having other FlexVolt tools is this battery will work with all those other tools. And from my saws to my drills, my dust extractor, this thing is absolutely amazing. And it's handy. So the main reason I wanted this was, like I said, I don't have to fire up my backpack blower every time I just want to blow some leaves off. As you can see, my driveway and my front sidewalk, they're not that big. I slap a battery in this blower, I go to town, and it gets cleaned up in a matter of minutes without having to open up the garage and do a whole bunch of other steps.
Hey guys, hope you really enjoyed today's video. I know I did. Hope you guys enjoyed the Dewalt FlexVolt blower. Tell me what you think. I think it's absolutely awesome. It is not a backpack blower. It's not, but it's a very powerful blower. You can actually feel it, the resistance with how much air it's moving. And it's easy to use. It's got a selectable speed trigger. Once again, it's a bit pricey. It's $269, but remember, you're getting $200 worth of just a battery alone. I paid $269. $200 of that is clearly the battery. This blower by itself is normally $199 for the bare tool. I've watched the prices and watched the prices waiting for them to come down all through the holidays. I did not see them at a discounted rate. Spring cleanup is coming. To my friends up north with all the snow, and friends around Texas and around the world that are dealing with cold weather, hey, spring is coming. Right now, like I said, it's the time to start thinking about, if you are serious about getting a tractor, start having those discussions between you, your wife, or whoever helps you manage your money. For me, it was my purchase towards my retirement. Ideally, it'll be paid off by the time I retire. Once again, if you have a riding mower, you could easily step into either a BX series Kubota. You could step into a 20 series Max or EMAX Mahindra. You could step into a John Deere 1025R. 1025R is probably about the biggest of those three. For me, I live on a third of an acre. Max is a bit too much for this, but you know, a little BX tractor would probably be about perfect. Still fit through your gates and everything else. It's nice you got a 60-inch mower deck with all of them as an option. John Deere, I know they've got a 54-inch. I think Kubota even has a smaller deck as well. But the tractors are coming. I don't know what's going to happen. I've seen a few other channels where they're talking about, you know, zero emissions, zero emissions, zero emissions. I don't know what's going to happen with the diesel market. Diesel is a byproduct of gasoline. I've driven diesels for years. This is my first tractor. I love my tractor. I love my trucks. I like the fact that when I step on the gas, it's the torque is there for passing, for towing, for hauling, and in a tractor, it's there to do a bunch of hard work. And it's fuel efficient. That 8-gallon capacity on that tractor will run literally all day long. And I only have to fill it up every 2 or 3 times I pull it out to use it, because I don't use it that much. I've only put 48 hours on the tractor. Once again, DeWalt, awesome tools. Mahindra Max 26XLT with the hydrostat, absolutely phenomenal tractor. I love it. If you don't believe me, go check out K6 Outdoors. He just did a 100-hour review on his minor issues. Any piece of equipment, you're always going to have issues, whether that's a Honda on the lot or a tractor. Anything with moving parts, you know, things work their way loose, gaskets don't always seal right. Hope you got something out of today's video. Once again, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm up to over 200 subscribers. I think my last count was 212. I've lost a few along the way. I've gained a whole bunch more. And once again, this channel wouldn't be possible without you guys clicking the like button, clicking the subscribe button, and leaving feedback down below so that I know what I can work on as a creator to deliver you guys a top-notch product, or at least improve upon where I'm at currently. With that being said, I can't thank you guys enough for watching. From the bottom of my heart, from my family to yours, thank you. And once again, you guys get to see me live my dream, but the true purpose of this channel is to motivate you to get out there and start building your dreams.